So I'm going to demonstrate how to put on the soft NIOSH mask. This is the SH3500, and this is a soft mask. You're going to be able to wear it in your office very comfortably. So when you open your box, you're going to get this mask. The mask does have a wire at the top. This part goes around your nose. You're going to get these straps, pull them both together, and put them around your head. Now, if it doesn't fit, it has an adjustable plastic on the second strap, and you can make it bigger by pulling out, or you can make it smaller by pulling in. So I'm gonna put it around my head. I'm gonna have one strap around on top of my ears, and then the other strap on the bottom around my neck. Then I'm gonna get the wire, shape it to fit my nose and my cheeks all the way around. Then once you have your mask tight enough to where it's comfortable but no open gaps anywhere, you want to breathe in. This kind of just helps shape the mask to fit better to your face with no open spaces. So as you can see, I have no open spaces here. There is a special design on the mask at the top that actually eliminates any fog to fog up your glasses or your loupes. And it's very comfortable, very easy to breathe in.